Flapped out custom.
Flapped out custom. Can I bought off Amazon for $35. Seems to be nice. It's baffled, has a dipstick. I'll let you guys know how it is after I use it for a while. But I'm gonna be putting it where the PVC line is and into the carburetor. So I'm thinking, I'm like, where am I gonna stick this thing? And I think the best place to put it is right here, like sideways like this. Put it like right here. Should I just like mount it like right to the firewall? Or should I build a bracket and mount it off of the screws for the gas pedal? If I can find something that'll thread onto that, I think that's the route I'm gonna go instead of like permanently mounting it. But it's gonna go right there and then into the PVC lines. So let me see what I can find and I'll get back to you guys in a second. Installing the catch can, and there's the bracket I made. So all it is a piece of basically like flat stock. I think it's actually stainless steel, and I drilled 2 holes in it to where the gas pedal is bolted to the firewall, and drilled 1 hole to hold a screw to keep the 2 pieces of metal together because I don't have a welder. I'll probably get it welded eventually, or I'll weld it with like my buddy's like $90 Harbor Freight welder. And then I mounted it on the bottom with the 2 screws to the bracket right there. The bracket holds it on. I used 2 nuts here, and I used the lock nuts over there. I plan on changing that to a lock nut, but I don't even know. Like we'll see if this even really works. Whole idea was when I first got the van running, I had like this weird carbon kind of deposits in the carburetor, and I don't know if it's because I don't drive the van a lot or what. It was kind of like jamming like the power valve and stuff. And I don't know if that was from maybe it backfiring back when I had the old distributor or the PVC valve. So we'll find out now. So it has this dipstick right here. I can still use it. Doesn't hit the dipstick for the van or anything. This just unscrews for the bottom. Plenty of room to take it out. I'll probably have to move this when I do air conditioning in here, but then again, this bracket, I can just flip it, and then it'll be closer here, so I probably won't have to do too much, or I'll just put it back to how it was originally with the pipe from the PVC there. Really, this is, I guess, kind of an experiment in a way, but I mean, it is a catch can, so, I mean, I could always use it on something else, or if I ever get like a car with a turbo on it, I could use it like that. But so far, so good. See how it holds up. And do I recommend this specific catch can? I do. I like how it has the baffles and everything. I think that's a really good design. I will admit, when I got it, there was metal shavings in it and stuff. But for a $35 like Chinese catch can, like what do you want? So I'll put the link for where I got it on Amazon in the description below, in case you guys want to pick one up and use one yourself. I kind of put this in a rush because I was in a little bit of a rush today. I plan on taking these 2 out, these 2 fittings, and putting some like nylon, like thread sealer on there. Put them back in, make sure everything's nice and sealed. It has O-rings on it, but I don't know. I feel like I just want to make sure everything's like really sealed and everything. So yeah, so at least as of right now, all the emission stuff on the van's taken off, and no more just oil coming through the PVC into the carburetor. So hopefully that works out. We'll see how it is. Oh, one thing. They give you this hose when you buy this catch can. Here, let me see if I can show you the hose. Don't use it. Go out, just buy like normal, like, you don't have to get fuel line or anything. You can get oil hose, but where did I put that? Oh, here it is. They give you this hose. And what happens is you start up your car, and if there's a lot of vacuum pressure, it'll just compress like that to the point where it's basically flat. If not, it's flat. Oh, look, see, there is oil in this hose. There is oil in there. So maybe this is doing something. Who knows? We'll find out. I'll keep you guys updated. I'll tell you what goes on, but don't use that hose. Just go out and get some like oil hose or something, or fuel line, I guess, if you want to. You don't need anything special. You don't need like high pressure fuel line. Basic stuff will work, and just throw it on there and see what happens. So, all right, guys. So let you know how this goes. I'll update you guys probably when I start driving the van more. There's still snow on the ground, so that means there's still salt in the road. So we're not driving the van anytime soon until all that salt's gone, because all I need to do is get this thing all rusty, and then I'll be really upset. So we'll wait. I'll keep you guys updated. Next video after this, I might do an overview on Eric's TJ if we have time, to show you guys really all the modifications he's done, what that thing has in it. So if you guys want that, let me know in the comments. And all right, so catch you guys in the next one. So I just took the van for a ride for maybe like an hour. Beat the living tar out of it. Well, not really, but a little bit. And a little bit of oil in the catch can. So I guess for what it's worth, it'll be pretty cool. This was just my, like, you know, drive for an hour, like, experiment thing. I figured since there wasn't much salt on the road, I should probably drive it and just see if it gets any at all. So I drove it for about maybe an hour and got a little bit in there. So is it effective? Yes, and we'll find out just how effective it actually is. So catch you guys in the next one.